Allison?
Yeah, it was so cool today, and that's going to be even colder tonight. We're looking at 53 degrees right now in Bakersfield. So on track for that average. We had a high of 59, and that is our normal for this time of year. But it's only going to get warmer as we continue through this week. But cooler tonight, we're looking at a hard freeze warning from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now that's all across our valley, in the deserts, as well as in the mountains. So you just want to make sure to cover your pipes, check your plants, and make sure that you keep your pets in a warm area overnight tonight. Keep them warm. And we're looking at some windy conditions. So this is overnight 34-mile-per-hour winds in Fraser Park, 44 in Tehachapi, and then up to 50-mile-per-hour winds in Mojave. And that will continue throughout Tuesday. We're looking at those 30s, 25, and even up to 40 miles per hour through Wednesday morning. So it's going to be keeping us pretty cool tomorrow. Moderate range air quality for us, an AQI of 57. And there are no restrictions, but burning is still discouraged. Now, that warming that I was talking about, we can see this high pressure system coming in Tuesday afternoon. That's going to be warming us up to those mid 60s and up to 70 for your weekend. And for the Bakersfield Christmas Parade, it is going to be just gorgeous outside. So we see that hard freeze warning tomorrow, so 63 degrees, then moving up 66 as a high on Thursday, and we're going to be looking at temperatures in those mid 50s for when you go out to the parade on Thursday, and then up to 70 for your Sunday in Bakersfield. Now in the Kern River Valley, we're looking at those breezy conditions, 61 degrees, a low of 39 for your Tuesday, and then warming back up to 70 on Sunday, and then looking at those breezy conditions tomorrow, 49 degrees as a high in Tehachapi, 32 as a low though, and then in Fraser Park, we're looking at 47 as a high as well, and then back up to those mid 60s later next week.
Wow. It only took until December to actually feel like it's winter.
Finally here. And the Christmas parade coming up.
Yeah, it's going to be so beautiful and dry.
Perfect.
Thanks for that, Allison. Coming up.